Hi, welcome to part two of the advanced uses of the past simple and the past continuous. Today I've got uses 4 and 5. If you haven't watched part 1 of the advanced uses of the past simple and the past continuous, you are missing advanced uses 1, 2, and 3. If you want to keep up with the uses, you can click on the link appearing up there and watch video part 1. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Use number 4. We use the past simple and the past continuous to narrate, to tell stories, to talk about anecdotes or past events. We can use all the past tenses: past simple, past continuous, past perfect, or past perfect continuous as well. Let's see how it's done. The past simple is used to speak about a single completed action of the past. The past continuous is used to refer to a situation that was going on at a particular point in the past. When we want to tell a story, when we want to narrate or talk about anecdotes or events from the past, we can combine past simple and past continuous. That is exactly what we call narrative tenses. How do we do that? Well, we can use two conjunctive adverbs, when and while. Let's remember that when is usually followed by a past simple, whereas while is usually followed by the past continuous. You can play with these two conjunctive adverbs. You could say, was getting into the elevator when she dropped her bag. You could also invert the order of the clauses, and you could say, when Erika dropped her bag, she was getting into the elevator. We can also use while. While Erika was getting into the elevator, comma, she dropped her bag. We can again invert the order of the clauses, and we can say, Erika dropped her bag while she was entering the elevator. That is pretty much the use of the past simple and the past continuous in narrative. Hi, my name is Gus. This is Gus Coach English. This is the place where you can improve your communication skills in English in the business environment. Time to remind you that if you still have not subscribed to the channel, this is the right time for you to do it. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload or create any new content. Time to move on to use number 5. Past simple and past continuous with some specific verbs. We can use either the past simple or the past continuous to speak about things that we intended to do, we wanted to do, but we didn't do them. For example, I was meaning to call you, but I didn't because I wasn't feeling very well. You could say, I meant to call you, but I didn't because I wasn't feeling very well. There are other verbs such as, I considered calling you, but I didn't because I wasn't feeling very well. You can also say, I was considering calling you, but I didn't because I wasn't feeling very well. You can also use think of or think about. I was thinking about calling you, I was thinking of calling you, but I didn't because I wasn't feeling very well. Past simple, I thought about calling you, I thought of calling you, but I didn't because I wasn't feeling very well. You see, you can use both past simple and past continuous. More examples. Expect to. I was expecting you to call me, but you didn't. I expected you to call me, but you didn't. That is advanced use number 5 of the past simple and the past continuous.